See, I told you it was this way, and I bet there's a bathroom nearby.
I hope so. I've been holding in my pee since we were in the Arctic.
Wait, really? There was a bathroom, like, right past the polar bear exhibit.
Okay, it's fine. I think we're here.
Oh my gosh, I am, like, so glad we made it here. I, like, love monkeys.
Yeah, chimps are pretty cool. I think her name's Layla. Just makes me a little sad to see her in there, you know?
Not at all. Monkeys are, like, dangerous. Would you, like, rather have them running around everywhere? Can you believe some people, like, think we evolved from them? That's so dumb.
Well, chimpanzees aren't monkeys, for starters.
What do you, like, mean?
Chimps are apes. Great apes, actually, not monkeys. Apes don't have tails, monkeys do. If we were able to get close enough, I could show you Layla's lower jaw and how she has a Y5 molar pattern just like us. Which brings me to my next point. We are related.
Example of Y5 molar pattern. Let's take a look at primate taxonomy. Taxonomy is basically a way to put organisms in an order and groups based on ancestral and derived similarities. These groups are called taxa. We'll look at 7 groups just to make things simple. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Kingdom is the most general of the groups, and species is the most specific of the taxa. If we observe our own taxonomy, as in for humans, our order is Primates. This means we are primates. The order Primates includes humans, greater and lesser apes, monkeys, tarsiers, prosimians, and this means that humans and chimps share a common ancestor.
Okay, so the ape is related to us? And I'm a primate? Ew!
Both the ape and the monkey is related to us. And yes, correct. The only difference is that the ape is more closely related to us. We can break it down even further.
As we observe the order Primates, there are 6 categories, or taxa. Order is the most general, while subfamily is the most specific. By the second suborder, we are split into 2, strepsirrhines and haplorhines. Strepsirrhines include lemurs, galagos, and lorises. Haplorhines include apes, monkeys, tarsiers, and humans. In the 4th group, superfamily, we can observe that this is where us and apes, hominoids, are separated from cercopithecoids, which are old world monkeys. The big difference between these two is that cercopithecoids have bilophodont molars, which are molars that are symmetrical. As you can see here, it's got a line dividing it into 2 sections, which then have 2 cusps each. Also, as I stated before, monkeys have tails and apes do not.
Okay, so we're, like, related since I don't have a tail either. That makes sense. But we didn't, like, evolve from them.
Nope. Chimps and humans are hominids, and this means we have a lot of similarities and characteristics. Because we are so similar, we know that we share a common ancestor. Thanks to paleoanthropologists, we have data that leads to the conclusion that we took different evolutionary paths around 8 million years ago. Unfortunately, since we don't have any DNA from back then, paleoanthropologists have to observe and study bones and fossils to figure out who was an ape and who was a hominid.
Hominins are us and our pre-modern human ancestors, like the organism that Scarlett Johansson touches fingers with when she goes back in time in that movie Lucy. So no, we did not evolve from chimps, and chimps did not evolve from us, but we do share a common ancestor from around 12 million years ago.
Okay, I think I get it. Chimps, like, aren't monkeys, they're apes. And also, they are more similar to us than monkeys are. And we didn't evolve from them, but we do share a common ancestor from, like, a super long time ago.
Yes, exactly! Chimps are much more similar to us than you think.
Okay, wow. I feel, like, super smart. Maybe I'm evolving.
Sure you are. Now come on, let's go get ice cream. My back is starting to hurt from standing for too long.
I wonder if, like, Layla's back hurts, just because we're so similar.
That's for another day.